If you want the perfect appliance for making delicious seasonal soups from scratch, look no further than the best immersion blender. Also known as stick blenders or hand blenders, these portable devices are perfect for blitzing piping hot soups directly into the pot. Of course, the best immersion blenders can also be used to make smoothies and fresh drinks, but we find that the best blenders in our main roundup work best when it comes to crushing ice. What they don't offer is attachments for whisking heavy cream or kneading cookie dough, which is why immersion blenders can be an incredibly versatile addition to your kitchen. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best immersion hand blender. So let's get started. Number 5. Miele UltraStick 500W 9-Speed. If you are looking for a model to use in a professional setting, or you know you're hard on your kitchen appliances, check out the Miele UltraStick 500W 9-Speed. This device has a solid feel due to its metal construction, and the blending arm locks directly into the motor. Our team found this model particularly powerful during our blending assessment, thanks to its 500-watt motor. The power buttons are a cinch to use, adding to kitchen efficiency. However, the speed dial is rather challenging to use during operation. You can work around this by placing your speed on the right setting before blending. Regardless, we discovered that this product doesn't circulate ingredients and some of the other options. Flaws aside, the Miele UltraStick 500W is a terrific choice if you're in the market for a heavy-duty hand blender. Number 4. Ovent 300W Immersion Blender. The Ovent 300W Immersion Blender is one of our favorite models, especially considering the price. It's very easy to toggle speed while in use. You don't have to stop blending to change speeds, unlike several models in our review. Removing the shaft when it's time to clean is as easy as can be, and attaching it is a cinch. While using the Ovent to create smoothies, our testers noticed that it creates a bit of extra suction. Although the handle is comfortable, it is relatively large. This may be preferable for some people, but others may prefer a device with a more slender construction. Lastly, the Ovent only includes the standard shaft and chopper, but that may be all you need. Overall, we think this device is an excellent choice for those shopping on a budget who aren't looking for extra bells and whistles. Number 3. Amazon Basics MultiSpeed Immersion. If you're ready to immerse yourself into the hand blender world, but don't want to break the bank to purchase one, we recommend the Amazon Basics MultiSpeed Immersion. This model is one of the best, especially considering the price when it comes to blending performance. We noticed that the accessories are effortless to attach, making it a cinch to get prepped for blending up your delicious sauces, dips, and concoctions in the kitchen. Although the attachments are a cinch to snap into place, we found them to be a bit difficult to remove. If you're going to be switching up accessories in the middle of your project, be ready to put a little extra elbow grease into exchanging them. Another minor flaw we found is that the speed setting is a bit of a pain to change while the appliance is in use. Still, this isn't much of a problem as long as you don't mind halting your blend for a quick second to dial it up or down. If you're looking for an affordable hand blender with similar performance to the high-end models, go with the Amazon Basics MultiSpeed. Number 2. Braun MultiQuick. When it comes to hand blenders, it'd be hard to top the Braun MultiQuick. This nifty little kitchen appliance is one of the most comfortable models we've reviewed, and the buttons are easy to use. When it comes time to grind, whip, and blend, the Braun offers the utmost performance, further enhanced when you engage the turbo boost. During our smoothie making party, this device did a great job, didn't create much suction, and pulverized everything very quickly. We also found that the attachments for this model were especially easy to change. However, speaking of attachments, the Braun only includes 2. If you're looking for a model with a chopping cup attachment or a milk frother, this is not the one. The only other flaw we found is that the textured handle is so grippy that it tends to hold on to little tall fuzzies and dust. Despite these minor drawbacks, we still think this appliance is the best choice for those looking for a simple ergonomic blender, does a tremendous job, and is easy to use. Number 1. Cuisinart RHB100 Evolution X. Pick up the Cuisinart Evolution X cordless rechargeable hand blender if you want a cordless hand blender that doesn't cost the earth. It's surprisingly well priced given its premium looks and powerful lithium-ion motor. The freedom of cordless immersion blenders is something you'll never realize you needed, but it means you can move around your entire kitchen, and even blend your soups directly in the pot you cook them in, with far easier cleaning after too. The 30 ounces blending cup is large enough to make a morning smoothie, and it has a 20-minute runtime with only 2 hours of charging time. That was our list of the top 5 best immersion hand blender just for you.